make some hummus. So this is a great, super cheap, super easy thing to make. You can spread this on sandwiches, you can spread this on crackers with our homemade crackers or homemade bread. So this is really nice to add to salads or your regular meal throughout the week to get some extra protein. And we like to make it fresh. Highly recommend buying your chickpeas in bulk beforehand from the bulk food store. You soak them overnight and they plump up into delicious little chickpeas. If you don't have the time or if you don't have access to a bulk food store, you can always buy them in cans. So they sell organic chickpeas that says BPA free lining, but there's still usually some sort of plastic lining. I don't like to buy things with plastic, anything packaged in plastic, but sometimes it's all you can get. So I like to use it and just show that this is really easy to make. We're going to use 1 can of chickpeas. We're going to use 1 lemon juiced. We're going to use 3 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of cumin spice, 2 tablespoons of tahini, organic whole tahini. I do 1/3 cup of olive oil, so it's like 100 mils. If you want a little bit more smoother or if you like it really oily, then do half a cup. But for this recipe, I'm doing 1/3 cup. And then coriander or cilantro, fresh, to chop up on top for presentation. Also, you can add spices to this, so if you like a little bit more flavor to your hummus, add paprika or chili, fresh chili, or maybe roast a capsicum and toss that in there. So that's a nice way to zhuzh up your hummus, make it a little bit more delicious. But this is really simple, easy, and keeps in the refrigerator for a while. So let's make it. First, we'll add the can of chickpeas. So I've just drained my chickpeas into our little strainer and rinsed the can out, and I'll recycle that. So we'll just pop these into our blender. 1/4 cup water. Now I'm going to give this a little blend, so plug your ears. Oh, and that is smooth as butter? Maybe not quite, but smooth as hummus. Yeah. Add our spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin. We'll add our, sometimes crushing them a little bit first helps get them blended up. If you want to chop them, mince them yourself, you're welcome to do that as well. It helps. Again, just trying to make this as easy as possible. We're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Some secrets. So, handy little juicing device. Squeeze all the juice out. Hummus is such an easy one to bring to picnics and potlucks. Just keep some chickpeas in the cabinet, soak them overnight, blend up your dip. It's also good for sandwiches because lots of protein. Alright, cool. So we got that in there. One cool thing about lemons is the acidic nature of them actually has really nice cleaning properties. So when you're done with juicing your lemon, you're not going to use the skin for zest or anything. You can just polish up your silver. So handy. So it has really nice cleaning properties. You can do all your silver. You can do the sink nozzle, the handle. Yeah, awesome. Or like in our cleaning week, in the natural cleaning week, you can chop this up and let it soak in hot water to help whiten your whites. And just pop it in the compost. Voila. We're going to give this another little blend, and then we'll add the tahini, and then we're pretty much good to go. Well, you have to be strong to be plastic free, strong of mind and body, strong of will. 2 tablespoons of organic tahini. This kind of helps balance the lemon. And then we'll blend this up. Finished product. This is a pretty garlicky recipe, so if you're not that big on garlic, just put 2 cloves in. You can also make it super gourmet by roasting the garlic first. That's delicious if you have the time. It's just super simple plain hummus. Yay! Now we'll just put this in the fridge. Done.